We started with the planning phase. Our initial plan was to build a car with the engine being made up of a firebox and a boiler. With this in mind, we created a list of materials and decided to make the back axle our 3D printed part. We ran into our first issue at Home Depot, where we found out they didn't offer any boxes matching our specifications, so we had to build our own firebox. Due to our lack of proper tools and experience, that metal ended up being bent. To counter this, we attempted to use clamps to flatten it out, which ended up working. We then had to attach the metal panels to each other. Our limited knowledge on construction made this portion incredibly time-consuming. Finally, we got to building the boiler. We drilled a hole into an old paint can and proceeded to attach a valve. Unfortunately, when we went to seal everything, we discovered our seal was a different texture than previously expected, forcing us to resort to caulk and superglue. At this point, we realized that a car would be an unreasonable goal, so our idea shifted to using the steam created by the boiler to push a boat. Luckily, one of our team members had built a small boat, which worked for our project. Since a car plan was scrapped, we realized we had to change the 3D part. Due to time constraints, it could not be reprinted, so we instead repurposed it, making it the mast of the boat. Once that was done, we put everything in place. The final product can be seen here.